Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from linked list, which is remove nth element, nth node from end. Okay, so this is very simple problem. Okay, and solution also. So you need to remove the nth element from end. So you will use two pointer method. Okay, first you move fast to n nodes. Okay, and then after that, now once you have a slow is at starting. Okay, so slow and fast will have n nodes gap. Okay, after that you will move both pointers one by one, and when fast reach to null, okay, that time whatever slow is pointing to, you just return that element, because both have n nodes gap, and that is the nth node from last, okay, from end. So for example, if you have given linked list is 1 2 3 4 5, and if I ask you n equal to 2, means I need to delete node, second node n equal to 2, so second node from last. So second node from last is this 4. Okay, you will delete it. So how you will do it? You create first dummy node. Okay, this one will be your dummy node, and let's say this is your linked list, so this is head of the linked list. Okay, your slow and fast is pointing to this dummy node. Okay, and then you will run for loop I equal to 0 to I is less than equal to n. Okay, currently our n is 2, so for I equal to 0, okay, fast will come here. For I equal to 1, fast will come here. For I equal to 2, fast is come here, because we are using less than equal to. Okay, and then after that you will move both the pointers one by one. Fast is not equal to null. Okay, so fast equal to fast next, slow equal to slow next. Okay, then again fast equal to fast next, slow equal to slow next, then fast equal to fast next, but now it is null, and slow equal to slow next. Okay, then now when fast is pointing to null, that time you will remove. What you will remove? Slow next equal to slow ke next ka next. Okay, so you will remove. So now slow next will become slow ke next ka next, like this. So means you have already removed this 4, correct? And then you will return dummy ka next. So dummy was this, and then next was this. So head, you will return this head. So that's it. Thank you.